In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a contact list to Sprout Social. By the end, you'll have a clean, organized list of profiles you can reference anytime you're working in the platform. First, open Sprout Social and head to your smart inbox. This is the central hub where all your incoming messages live, pulled in from the social networks you've connected. Think of it as your command center for DMs, comments, and mentions, all in one place so you don't have to jump between apps. With the Smart Inbox open, look for the Overflow menu at the top of the screen, the three dots icon, and click it. This menu gives you access to additional tools and settings related to the inbox. From there, choose Manage Contacts. That opens the Contact Lists settings, where you can view any existing lists and create new ones. Contact lists are great for grouping the profiles you care about most, like VIP customers, partners, or prospects, so you can quickly reference them while monitoring conversations. Now, create a new list by selecting Add New List. Give your list a clear, descriptive name that your team will instantly recognize. Short, consistent names make lists easier to find later. You can always adjust the name if your needs change. Next, add profiles to the list. Start typing the social profile names or handles you want to include. You can add profiles from Twitter, also known as X, as well as Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. As you type, Sprout will surface suggestions. Choose the correct profile from the results. You can mix profiles from different networks within the same list, which is helpful if you track the same organization or person across multiple channels. Take a moment to confirm you're selecting the right account, especially when names are similar. You can add as many profiles as you need, and you'll be able to refine the list later. When you're done adding profiles, click Save to create the list. Your new contact list is now ready and will appear in the Contact Lists settings. From here, it's available across Sprout Social whenever you need to reference or manage it. A few quick tips as you work. Keep lists focused on a single purpose so they stay useful. Use consistent naming so teammates understand what each list represents, and revisit Manage Contacts periodically to update profiles as accounts evolve. That way, your lists stay accurate and actionable. And that's it. You've added a contact list to Sprout Social, making it easier to stay organized and prioritize the profiles that matter most.